Hello everyone. Shri Jawaharlal Darda Education Societies, Yavatmal Public School welcomes you to the digital world. Welcome to YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Please like and share our videos and subscribe the channel.
Hello dear students, I am Vidya Razgire from Yavatmal Public School. Today we are going to learn more about properties of water and buoyant force for standard 5th. Water, the basic need for all forms of life, has some amazing properties which help us in many ways. Force of water in rivers carry pieces of rocks and soil along with it. It helps the seeds of the plants to disperse. The force of running water is used to turn the turbines to generate electricity in hydropower plants. Now let's see what is buoyant force. Water exerts an upward force called buoyant force when anything put into it. This property is called buoyancy. To understand more about buoyant force, let us have a look on an interesting activity. Here I have taken a glass container filled with water and different objects such as iron nail, coin, a ball and orange. Now let's see what happens when we put all objects one by one in the container. In this activity, we learned the buoyant force determines whether an object sinks or floats. Some objects float while some sink. Why this happens? If the buoyant force is more than the force exerted by an object in the downward direction, then it floats. If the buoyant force is less than the force exerted by an object, it sinks. If large amount of water is displaced, then large buoyant force is exerted and the object it floats. If less amount of water is displaced, then less buoyant force is exerted and the object sinks. For example, a ship displaces large amount of water. So, a large buoyant force is exerted on it and it floats. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.